Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add an animation to the end of a clip in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the CapCut app, and here it usually opens up in the home menu where we have our projects. We tap on a project that we want to continue to work on, and in the project we have to select the clip that we want to edit. Then, after we selected the clip, we tap on the animation button in the bottom bar. Here we have multiple options, multiple sections to choose from. There is in, out, and combo. In this part, we tap on out, and these animations are going to be added to the end of the clip that we selected. From these we can select an animation that we like, tap on it, set the duration of it, and then tap on OK, and it saves the animation just like that. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.